Hello friends, I'm Meghna Thomas and welcome back to our channel Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. In my video today, we are going to talk about when is the best time to become a pilot. Well, if you've just finished your 12th standard and you've always aspired to become a pilot, well then there is nothing stopping you. Any time is the best time for you. But then there are some kind of people who at a very later stage in life would want to become a pilot. So it is for those people that I'm going to tell you when is the best time for this. The first is when the pilots are actually needed. Currently, the aviation industry is facing an upcoming pilot shortage. It is true that there is going to be a huge demand for pilots. In my assumption, it is going to be for more than over 7 lakh pilots in fact. The airlines are sprouting up all over the globe. So trained pilots who can be captains of those flights are a hot commodity. The industry is growing more rapidly than the current growth rate can meet. So becoming a pilot now puts you at an advantage because this is the time that the demand is truly here. So if you're a trained pilot, you will have the seniority and you will be in demand, meaning that you're going to have a sky full of opportunities. The second one would be when the pay is on a rise. To match the competitive scene for pilots, the regional and the mainline carriers have improved the pilot salaries greatly. Well, I'm going to be very soon doing a video on pilot salaries, but for now you should know that pilots are paid really well. Well, of course, the job involves a lot of risk and you're carrying a lot of lives with you, which is why, yes, you are paid very well. But yes, you're also covered up with insurances and everything. Yes, I will be talking about those, but I would be making another video for the same. So please stay tuned with us. But for now, let us discuss the other things here. Well, also that the pay increases as per your seniority. So usually we join as a junior first officer, then you become a first officer, SFO. So when when your seniority level increases, your pay increases as per that as well. Well, the third point to consider is there are more jobs than just being an airline pilot. I know we have only been talking about the benefits of being a commercial pilot, but that's not the only kind of flying that there is. Pilots can fly cargo, they can also fly private planes. You can be flying for the government, you can fly for a flying school as a flying instructor. There are many options that you can do once you become a pilot. It is so said that by 2037, the industry is expecting a need for more than 7 lakh pilots. And that is just for the commercial airlines. And so the demand will continue to increase and the ones with the right skill will find themselves highly valuable and in demand. And if you're thinking, why would you want to be a pilot? Guys, let me tell you, this is just exciting. Forget about being stuck in a cubicle from 9 to 5. You can travel, move across the world, live in 5-star hotels, eat amazing food. What more would you want? I hope this inspires you all to become a pilot. And I hope you like watching our videos. For more such informative videos and updates, keep following our channel Epaulettes Aviation. What are you waiting for? Come, let's fly!